What up, y'all? It's a weekend. Headed on a mission. Gonna do a video later on the review, but long story short, short story long. Hit on the Jordan 5 What If pack. It's not a pack. It's just basically two, or a pair of shoes, two different colors. But here, I'm in the Navy, so here on the base, we can enter raffles for early releases and things like that. They come out today anyway, but yeah. So I end up hitting on. I'm trying to go to McDonald's. Damn, look at the line. It's out the parking lot. Okay, it's moving up. All right, yeah, but I end up hitting. Put my name in the raffle, just like let's see what's up. But end up hitting. So we're gonna see what it do, man. Pick it up. The good thing about getting it on base is they don't charge us taxes, so we're gonna get them for the low. But I'm gonna end up going home and doing the review later. So next time you see me, I'm back. Now I'm about to show you what we got to pick up. Boom, the Jordan box. Got your Jordan Air on the side, Jordan Air on the side, Jordan emblem, Jordan Air, size 9.5. That's how we get down. Maybe a 10. On the bottom, you got a Jumpman. So these were released today. Like I said, got lucky, won a raffle, got them on base, and got them for the kind of low. So you get your standard paper in there. And for those who haven't seen it, feast your eyes. Let's give you a little glance at. Give them a round view, give them a round view, give them a round view. All right, so let's break down these two because the different color. Now, I'll let you know right now, different material on each. Feels pretty good. Like the grapes were kind of like this one. This one's more rough, kind of fuzzy. Black shoelaces. You got the plastic web right there on the side. Black trim on the outer sole, yellow emblem right there, and you got the insides. Kind of give you that Fresh Prince of Bel-Air vibe. Those fives are kind of sat. So this is as you can see in the camera, this is gray, so it's kind of reflective, and then you got the neon green Jumpman upside down Air Jordan, like you used to. And then check the bottom out. If you look at this bottom is different, so that's what's unique. That's what's unique right there. This bottom has like kind of a neon tinnish glow. Wonder if they probably glow in dark, man. I should know that, but but yeah, check them bad boys out, man. So on the yellow, woo! All right. So first of all, I like it because they got that Laker color in them, you know how I get down with the Lakers. But this is way smoother, you know what I'm saying? So that's pretty smooth suede. Got the yellow with the black laces, same on laces. Now you got the gray lace inlet, same kind of occasion right here. Now these supposed to be a mashup of all the Jordan, a lot of the Jordan 5s on. Not sure which ones they all supposed to be, but like I showed you, that different bottom right there. All right, and if you look, Jordan in the back, black. If you look in the reverse, orange, but then that interior, the guts. Check that out. You know what I'm saying? So that's different right there. What these didn't come with is different shoelaces, but do the lace swap if you have to. The orange Jumpman with the reflective gray tongue to match. So, and then you have this emblem, vice the other emblem. So two completely different shoes. And I said the what if pack. That's Kobe. I'm stuck on Kobe. Rest in peace. You know, but it's the what the pack. So the what the pack, what the Jordan 5s. You know. Now my personal opinion on them. I'll get to you right now. Not for me, man. You know, I just think they kind of like real fun, real colorful. You know what I mean? Like, just not my speed right now. And I don't think ever. But you know, if they had like maybe two, like a solid pair of these, maybe might look into, you know, talking. But this is the pair right here. This is the pair. I don't know if I'm willing to get that now. I did see somebody put this together pretty good with with an outfit, man, and you know, but that's them. You know, I don't think I would necessarily need this for my collection, but hey, let me know in the comments if y'all feeling these, or y'all got these in your collection, or if you wanna, you know, something you would go out to get, man. Let me know if y'all got lucky or whatnot, you know. So again, the Jordan 5, what does, you know. So before I go, just touch on something real quick. Did a video on this on the other channel, but you know, just we gotta do better, y'all. Rest in peace, King Von, if y'all haven't heard. Got murdered down in Atlanta. Just, you know, it's just gotta do better as a people, man. You know, like these rappers, man. Not these rappers, I should say. I'm just saying these younger generation, man. They lost, man. They kind of don't have none of it. I check out memory on the camera. Yeah, man. These rappers, like the younger generation, man. It seems like they just less and less stuff to live for, man. It's kind of crazy if they're not killing each other, man. They killing themselves, or they got to worry about police and all this. You know, it's just it's too much, man. But we just gotta do better, man. Like for real. Like I don't know the circumstances behind his death or his murder. It seemed like it was allegedly, you know, big gunfight and all that. But it's too much to live for out here, man. You know, young man had kids and family, and it's just sad, man. Of the sense of life lost, but. Till next time, y'all keep taking care of each other, man. Rest in peace, King Von. Rest in peace, Kobe. I'm gonna holler at y'all later.